भक्ताय वंशागुरुस्य कृपा सिन्धुभैव च कृतां श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे राम राम राम। अयो वो लगाना नहीं है ना, अभी लगाना। पहले लगा तब आरम्भ हो लगाना, मन उधर चला जाता है। श्री भजन हर्ष अष्टम जाम की कथा हम श्रवण कर रहे हैं। इसमें मिलन की कथा चलो भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं। और शिक्षास्त्र की अंतिम श्लोक असली सभा पदगतम श्लोक वर्णन हुआ। ब्रजलीला निष्ठा महाप्रभु पिता संकेत श्लोक काव्य प्रकाश साहित्य दर्पण के श्लोक हम लोग कल आलोचना किया था। जिससे जो कौमार हर इस श्लोक को हम लोग कल व्याख्या करने के लिए प्रयास कर रहा था। सत्यत्व अपेक्षा प्रत्यत्व की वैशिष्ट बता रहे हैं। जहाँ पर हम श्रवण कर रहे थे ये किस प्रकार वह विवाहिता स्त्री अपने जीवन की इतिहास बता रही थी। विवाह के पहले जीवन और विवाह के पश्चात जीवन की बात बता रहे हैं। विवाह के पहले जो जीवन जो थी वो किस प्रकार और विवाह के बाद की जीवन की कैसे है वो बता रहे हैं। अर्थात महाप्रभु ये कहते जाते ये अपराजित चित जगत में सबके अपेक्षा परकत्व की विशेष सौंदर्यता आती है। और जिसमें परकत्व में जो चार जो है अमोवस्त्र रहता है, चार वस्तु क्या रहता है? पहली निवारण था वामता प्रचंड कामता, फिर निवारणता आता है और दुर्लभता प्रचंडता। ये चार जो है परकत्व में विशिष्ट अधिकार।
So there are four. Hare Krishna, am I audible to you? So there are four faults in control. Yes, there are four faults in or what we get qualities of Pargyatva: Vamyata, Nivaranata, Prachanda Kamukta और दुर्लभता. So there are so much rules and regulation in Parkya Bhav in this society, but in the transcendental world there is nothing. So there are so much obstacles comes in the Parkyatva Bhav in this society. So we have heard this katha so many times. So there is so much that Parkyat Bhav is greater than the Swakitva in the transcendental world, but in this society, Swakit Bhav is greater than Parkyat Bhav. If somebody is following the Parkyat Bhav is here, so he will go to hell. As our Vishnu Chakravarti Path described,
ये वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं। नायक नायिका में दोनों ही जो है ये सब दिखाते हैं। तो इसलिए द्वारकापुरी में स्वच्छंद रूप में महिषियों का साथ मिलन दिखाया गया।
so that's why in the Dwarika, Krishna meeting with the Mahishya spontaneously, and in the Vrindavan, Krishna meet with gopis in a very hidden way. So Krishna met with the gopis in Braj. So Brajvasi was not aware about that. Just like it is mentioned in the Srimad Bhagavatam, the Ras Leela. When Krishna was appeared in this form and when he was performing Leela, so no Brajvasi was aware that Krishna is performing Ras Leela with the gopis. Nobody was aware with that.
तो ये रासलीला की कथा जो है पहली बार सुखदेव गोस्वामी महाराज परीक्षित महाराज को सुनी।
So the Ras Leela Katha first time Sukdev Goswami Path told to Parikshit Maharaj. Nobody was aware about that. Only 2-3% about know that Ras Leela. But not, they were not aware completely. Just like Rohini Devi, she was thinking that oh, Krishna is doing Ras with the gopis, because she was not able to enter into the Ras, but still she has some kinds of doubt. So seeing the prem treatment with the gopis, she was assuming that he has a relationship with the gopis. And Purnamasi also know more than Rohini Devi. Kundalata also know about that. Kundalata कौन
बता था ये कृष्ण गोविंद के साथ प्रेम दहरा भी करते हैं।
कुंदलता कौन थी खुद? कुंदलता
कुंदलता
कौन थी?
सुभद्रा की पत्नी।
सुभद्रा की पत्नी?
एक सखी है।
अच्छा सखी।
अच्छा
कुंदलता से सखी और सुभद्रा।
तो कुछ ऐसे जो है और सखाओं के जो है प्रिय नर्म सखा आदि के। Some
Priya Narma Sakha also aware about that Ras Leela, little bit, not completely. Little bit they have knowledge about.
ये रास में क्या होता है?
That whatever is happening in the Ras,
रास क्या चीज?
what is Ras,
ये लोगों की पता नहीं था।
they were not aware about that.
क्योंकि कृष्ण जो रास आदि करते थे।
Because Krishna was performing Ras, the Sambhog mein Leela, so all was happening in the night time and in a very isolated place. That's why mostly Brajvasi was not aware, and Jatila Kutila was just assuming. They were not aware. But when Krishna disappeared from this world, then in the assembly of Parikshit Maharaj, Sukdev Goswami Path told the Ras Leela Katha to Parikshit Maharaj. Because Ras is very mysterious, a very mysterious thing. That's why this is mysterious, so we should keep it mysterious. Sukdev Goswami Path described Ras Leela in a very general way, in a very few shlokas. So in the 10th canto, from 29 chapter to 33 chapter, described about Ras Leela. If we think about that, with how many shlokas Sukdev Goswami Path described the Ras Leela in the Srimad Bhagavatam, very वो तो रास पंचायत है. So by how many shlokas Krishna he did the Ras Leela
गणित तो प्रश्न उत्तर हो गया।
There are many question and answers also there.
कौन लीला आपको दिखाता है ना,
Uddipan Leela,
महावीर जी की वर्णन करके हुए आलम्बन उद्दीपन
Alaman, Uddipan.
है। तो ये सब तो वर्णन किया गया। श्रीमद् भागवत में 29 अध्याय से लेकर के 33 अध्याय का
In the Srimad Bhagavatam, from 29th chapter to 33 chapter,
इतिहास को वर्णन करते हैं।
so many things is described like a history there.
किंतु जो
But in a very few shlokas, the mool ras, the origin of ras is there, described in very few shlokas.
वो कितने थोड़ी श्लोक हो गए, 48 लास्ट में जो महाराज है ना, तो इतना ही श्लोक है बस, और बाकी तो कथोपकथन मान आदि
And many things is described there about man and question and answer is there.
सारे माने हिस्ट्री पर बता।
He told a history in the Ras Leela.
यदि देखें
If you see,
मेरा ख्याल से जो है 20 श्लोक नहीं हुआ ऐसे
not more than 20 shloks were there about Ras Leela.
ये सब। तो रास जो वास्तव जो रास जो है वो तो अपाकृत, वो गोपनीय।
So the actually Ras is hidden. It is transcendental because it is transcendental.
रास के बारे में भी वर्णन किया गया।
In the Brahmand Purana and other Purana, it is described about the Ras of Krishna,
वर्णन भी किया गया बहुत,
and they are described as
दक्षता के साथ माने निपुणता के
in a very
है।
cleverly.
वास्तव क्या रास है लोगों को अभी तक पता नहीं।
What is Ras actually? People is actually not aware about that.
रास जो रस से आस्वादित थी,
रस से आस्वादिति इति रासा.
प्रकाश होता है, इसकी क्रिया क्या है,
Then what is there? What is happening there in the Ras? What is Ras Kriya?
ये कोई नहीं जानता।
So nobody knows about that. Only people are assuming.
अथवा ये जड़ जगत के
Or in this material world, mic word people,
विकार की उसकी सोच
and people start thinking is just like a sexual thing, काम विकार.
देखने में तो थोड़ा बहुत वैसे ही लगता है।
It looks like same, but actually it is not the same.
कामुक व मित्र विधियते। गोपियों की जो प्रेम है वही
So Gopi's love is called Kam. That is,
प्रेम की जो रस जो रस आस्वादन जो होता है,
but relishing the love is there. Nobody can describe there that.
शब्दों के द्वारा करता
So we cannot explain it with any words.
है। साधारण लोग को समझाना
That's why for making the general people understand that katha, it's not easy.
ये नित्य गीत आदि
That this,
प्रकार की जो है क्या है कला होती है,
so there are many kinds of arts shown there,
नित्य गीत
like dancing, singing, how they are performing dancing and singing in the Ras Leela.
नित्य गीत वाद्य
Nitya Geet, Badya,
संगीत
and music.
चार जो बोलता रहा तो गीत का
Tarjik,
तो ये तीन प्रकार नित्य गीत वाद्य।
Vadya. Nritya, Geet and Vadya means dancing, singing and playing instrument.
ये जो इसको भी ब्रह्म वैवर्त पुराण में भी दिखाया
So it is also showed in Brahma Vaivarta Purana that how they were performing the Ras Leela there, the activity there.
जहाँ पर अनेक बार हास परिहास आदि रहता है।
So there are many kinds of laughing and joking activities are there. Al Shila Jeev Goswami Pad
क्या बोले उज्जवल मुनि
in
ग्रंथ में ये सब वर्णन किया
Jeev Goswami Pad,
है।
Rup Goswami,
आसन
Rup Goswami.
जैसे
Our Rup Goswami Pad described in the
को माधुर्य
Ujjwal Nilmari Granth very nicely,
जैसे बंसी चरी
like the stealing the flute,
बंसी चरी नौका विलास
Nauka Vilas, Jal Vihar. There are many kinds of activity. This is called
है।
the Ras Leela.
ये सब क्या है, सब राजला जनता है। विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती का
Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad,
थोड़ा बहुत वर्णन भी किया।
he is described little bit in Shri Krishna Bhavanavrit, and Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is described in their Granth Anand Vindavan Champu. So everything is described there, but in a very hidden way.
ये श्लोक हम
So the shlok we were talking about, Ya Komar Hara, Ya Komar Hara Seva Varasati, text number 9.
ये सत्यात्व तथा परित्यात्व की माधुर्यता प्रकाश है। और विशेष करके परित्यात्व जो मैंने जो चार जो अमोघ वस्त्र के बारे में बताया,
Especially I told about 4 weapons of Parkyatva. Vamyata, Nivarta, Durlavta, Prachanna Kamukta. Very nice. Kamukta. So Kamukta is the speciality of Ras Leela. And in the Swakiya there is no Vamneta. No Vamneta is in Swakiya Bhav. Externally they are showing little bit, but it is not internally. Satyabhama did little bit man. When Krishna became serious, his man was disappeared. Her man was disappeared. So you have heard about the Navrindavan Leela also. So she didn't have so much Pambe Bhav so long.
हम लोग की अपेक्षा मुझसे अपेक्षा इतना प्रेम करते हैं गोपियों की।
So Krishna is loving more than the gopis, more than me to gopis. So that's why Satyabhama got man. When Krishna, when he became so serious, then Satyabhama's man gone away, vanished. Hey Satyabhama, leave your man and everything. Just come with me. Leave your man and attend the Sudharma Sabha. Otherwise Krishna will tease you today. He is very serious. He is very angry mood today. Even Krishna said, if Satyabhama will not be present in the Sudharma Sabha, then I will give up her. When Uddhav said this, Satyabhama disappeared that time. She instant, very quickly, she entered into the Sudharma Sabha. And Krishna was scolding everybody in the Sabha, in the Sudharma Sabha. Not only one, every Mahishas, all the Mahishas. Because other Mahishas also have some jealousy in their hearts. But Krishna targeting everybody and scolding to everyone there in the Sudharma Sabha. And everybody afraid at that time so much. And in the Braj Gopis man, it's so sweet. That's why about man, our Shloka Goswami Pad described that how many kinds of man is there. Dat man, Lalit man. So you cannot get the sweetness of man except Vraj anywhere. Udapta man is in Chandravali and Lalit man in Radha and other Sakhis. That after doing the man, how Gopiya is making the dance to Krishna, and Krishna is dancing just because of gopis. That after coming to the near to the Kunj of Radharani, and Krishna is rubbing his nose on the ground. When I will take the birth of the stick of broomstick of Radhika Rani, Brashmanu Nandini, then my life will be successful. Krishna is not ordinary personality, he is the Param Purush.
वो कृष्ण आकर के कैसे क्या कर रहे हैं?
And then Krishna
फिर
is coming to the kunj of Radharani.
राही तो अंदर में
Radharani got man. She has closed the door. She is inside the kunj. She is taking rest very nicely, and she is lying on her bed.
और
And
उस कुंज के द्वार पर जो खड़ी हुई है,
at the gate of that kunj, the Sakhya who are standing there and the Manjaris who are standing there. So in their feet, Krishna is rolling on the ground. Krishna is caught their feet for entering into the kunj or entering into the rooms of Radharani.
जो अनंत कोटि विश्व ब्रह्मांड
So who is the Anantakoti Brahmand Nayak? Brahma and other Devta, they are doing the stuti of his lotus feet.
और वो कैसे
And then this same Krishna is just like behaving like a Kami Purush, lusty person.
और कृष्ण कैसे अपने अपराध की क्षमा दिखा रही है।
And Krishna is asking for begging of his offenses.
ये तो है विशेषता।
So he is behaving like an offender there.
जत्नि बुद्ध कुल काकुवानी, नित्यं परस पुरुष शिखंड मोदी, यस्ता कदा ध्यान जाया ब्रह्मा आदि बड़े बड़े देवताओं की जो दुर्लभ वस्तु,
So which is very rare to Brahma and other Devtas, the lotus feet of Radharani.
कृष्ण कैसे अलता आदि लगाते,
And Krishna is putting alta on the feet of Srimati Radhika Rani.
हीर ललित नायक होने के नाते
Being a Dhir Lalit Nayak,
के चरण में
Krishna putting the alta of the Radharani's feet, and Srimati Radhika,
टीका नायिका होने के नाते
she is a Swadhina Bhartika Naika, and she is giving the order.
श्रीमती राधिका आदेश देती है।
Srimati Radhika is giving the order, very speak, do one thing.
और कृष्ण उसके करने के लिए तैयार,
And Krishna is ready for do everything for Radhika Rani.
और कृष्ण राधे के चरण दर्शन करके
And after taking the darshan of Radhika Rani's feet, Krishna become instant.
अलता के चूड़ी जो है, जो ब्रश
The brush of alta, when he put it one drop, Krishna observed in the bhav
चिन्ह कितने,
that Radharani has a beautiful signs in her feet.
तो उसको देख करके
So
कृष्ण
seeing that when Krishna saw the feet of Srimati Radhika Rani, he was so much stunned and his hand was shivering.
और इतने समय राधा ने
And at that time, Radharani
नियत कर दिया,
indicated to Rati Manjari, oh, it's not able to, you cannot do this, you leave it. Rati Manjari,
उनको भी कैसे गया, अपने बाएं बाहु
from her left arm,
क्या किया, ऐसे सिरनी इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं।
so by their left hand, Rati Manjari, she said to Krishna, oh, it's not able to you, you go from here, you cannot put the alta on Radharani's feet.
और देखो
And look,
वर्णन होते जा रहे
it is also described
हैं, विलास में जो
in the Vilabs Kusmanjali,
जब राधा जी अपने
when Radharani
पैर पे जो थोड़ा हटा ली,
when
और
Radharani
वो पैर आकर के कृष्ण के वक्षस्थल और
snatches her
मस्तक
feet,
पर लग गया, जिससे वो जो रेड
alta,
क्या था,
alta,
हल्का जो है कृष्ण के वक्षस्थल पर लग गया और कृष्ण के मस्तक पर।
when Radharani snatches her feet, so that alta put it on the head and the shoulder, on the chest of the Krishna, and Krishna was feeling himself so much fortunate that time. When Radharani said, oh, you cannot do this, you go. So when she snatched her feet, so alta put on the head of and chest of Krishna.
ये देखो
It is also described in the Geet Govinda.
जो हृदय में जो राग अनुराग था,
So whatever the rag anurag was in the heart,
आज बाहर मनो प्रकाशित,
now that anurag is manifested externally, outside,
ये देखो कृष्ण के
has come out.
अंतर हृदय में
So whatever
राधा जी के जो प्रकट
the anurag Krishna has in his heart, so now that anurag came out from the heart in the form of that alta.
मानो
Yes, Sukdev Goswami Pad
जो है अपने
said
सेवक रूप में स्वीकार कर लिया,
Radharani accepted Krishna in her servant and putting the stamp that he is my servant.
जैसे मालिक जैसे सेवक के क्या करते हैं?
Just like a master gives the order to the his servant,
झंडा लेकर के चलो,
keep my stick and walk with me.
पता करो क्या करो,
Please raise up my Vijay Pataka,
तो कृष्ण को ही करते
the flag of the victory.
हैं। और
In this,
कृष्ण अपने के लिए करते हैं, धन्नाति
and Krishna himself thinking so much fortunate.
मुद्रिता, जिस प्रकार
Just like
पुस्तक आदि ग्रंथ आदि छपने के लिए मशीन में ली जाता है, प्रेस में होता है, उसमें प्रेस वो और कभी
books and other things goes for printing into the machine.
जो है फट जाएगा, किंतु ये जो प्रिंट जो यहाँ पर जो ये हो गया,
I tell you,
प्रिंट जो हो गया,
just like the paper is going for printing into the machine, so the paper can tear, but the print will not go out. In the same way, Srimati Radhika's feet,
कृष्ण की ललाट पर लग गया,
when the feet of Srimati Radhika Rani touches the head of Krishna stamp, so it gives the stamp on the head of Krishna
तो भाव के बनने से
that now we are accepting, I am accepting you as my servant.
ये कृष्ण के आज क्या हो गया, ये राधा जी के आज कृष्ण
Servant. Now Krishna has become the servant of Srimati Radhika.
कितनी सुंदर, जय मुरारी ऐसे करके कीर्तन किया,
Jai Murari, Jai Murari. Kirtan is going on there.
गीत गोविंद में
In the Geet Govind, so Jayadev Goswami Pad is described very nicely there, everything.
तो इसमें जो विशेष कर ये दिखा
So especially what is showing here, that Parkitya is greater than the Swakitva. There is so much sweetness is there in the transcendental word. So hearing that, we are remembering the things of this material world, but it is mentioned in the scriptures, it is not possible in this material world.
जगत में तो हो ही नहीं सकता,
No, in this world it is not possible. It cannot be happen in this world, in this mic world. But in the transcendental world,
देखो कैसे
how it is happening there beautifully.
प्रकार यहाँ पर जो वर्णन होते हैं,
So in this way, here it is describing.
परकित भाव से मिलित नायक नायिका का प्रेम
Oh, chalo bhai karo.
समुज्जल रसयुक्त होने के कारण प्रेम माधुर्य विलक्षण प्रेम से प्रकटित होता है। नित्य मिलन न होने के कारण नायक का मिलन की दुर्लभता, उपपत्ति संबंध के कारण बाह्यता, निवर्णता तथा प्रसन्न कमता द्वैतों के पारिक भाव के अपूर्व माधुर्य प्रदान करते हैं। यह भाव केवल वृद्धि की ही एकमात्र संपत्ति, इसके एकमात्र नायक रसिक चूड़ामणि भजनंदन श्याम सुंदरी है और समस्त गोपियों की शिरोमणि विश्वानंदिनी श्रीमती
Radhika.
नायिका।
So Radhika Rani is the Naika of all kinds of rases. Heroine.
उल्लास
Bhukanta bina nahi rasir ullas.
श्रीमती राधिका कृष्ण के समस्त प्रकार के जो है प्रेम माधुर्य का आस्वादन कराने में समर्थ है।
Even Radhika Rani is so much capable to give all the pleasure to Krishna. But still, what Radhaji saw,
कृष्ण के उल्लास कैसे हुआ,
that how Krishna gets so much pleasure.
बहुकांता बिना नहीं रसिक उल्लास।
Bhukanta bina nahi rasir ullas.
राधिका ने किया
That's
कि
why what Shri Radhika Rani did.
अब काय ग्रह के रूप में ललिता आदि इसमें प्रकाश।
So she has manifested so many Kai view like Lalita, Vishakha and other Sakhis.
राधिका हन कृष्ण प्रेम कल्पलता, सखी गण हन तार पल्लव।
So here what is saying that Radharani is only capable to give all the pleasure to Krishna, but for making some pastime and some Leela, Radhika Rani expenses their Kai views
देखो कि इसमें से ये
in the form of Lalita and Vishakha Sakhis and other gopis.
इनकी अपराध वस्तु की अनुभव तो एकमात्र भगवत कृपा की है।
So we can realize the transcendental thing by the mercy of Bhagwan.
अनुभव कैसे हुआ,
How we can get the realization and the experience? By the mercy of Krishna. Nayanatma prashne lavyo na medyana bhavna shutin yame brahmavetin. When Bhagwan mercy upon the jivas and manifested all the mercies, then Jeev can realize the pastimes and of the Bhagwan. Nayanatma prajne labhyo namedhya na bhavna shutin. So after hearing so many times, after studying so many Vedas, it is not possible. You cannot get the experience. The speaker is saying and the listener is listening, but it is not possible by then. How it is possible? When Bhagwan himself mercy upon the devotee's heart, then all Nam, Rup and Guna Leela will be manifested in the heart. So according to the bhav of the bhakts, Leelas is manifesting in the heart. According to the rasis, Sakhya, Vatsalya, Madhurya. So according to the rasis of the devotees, so Bhagwan, so by the Yogmaya manifested the Leelas in the sadhak's heart, devotee's heart. So not everybody's hearts.
किंतु बंसी ध्वनि के सुन करके अपने अपने रसमाधुर्य पोटेंसी के अनुसार और कृष्ण की वही समझ रहे हैं।
When Krishna was playing the flute, so Sakha was also hearing the Sakha. So Krishna is calling us for cow grazing. Sakha is thinking like that. Nanda Yashoda also heard the sound of Venu. They thought, oh, Kanhaiya is coming after cow grazing. So we have to prepare the food stuff for him. So we have to make an arrangement, all kinds of Krishna, for Krishna. So all the katha is described in Shri Krishna Bhavnamrita Grantha. Dasya, Sakhya, Vatsalya and Madhurya. So everybody is listening the sound of the flute, but so according to the rasis of the bhakta, they are thinking in the same way. In the gopis' heart, when they were hearing the sound of the flutes, so they are so much eager of love, with love. So they were so much eager to take the darshan of Krishna. When Krishna was returning after cow grazing and after taking a darshan of the Krishna, gopis, so gopis are making the festival by their eyes. Oh, how beautiful form the Krishna has. Everything is also described. And in their heart, so much desire comes for meeting with Krishna. So this is called the Prachanna Kamukta. Prachanna means hidden. Hidden means they were not showing. Utkantha. So whatever the eagerness they have in their heart for meeting with Krishna, just like embracing, kissing, so they are not expressing to everybody. These all are in a hidden way. This is called Prachanna Kamukta. So we were hearing it. So Brajinandan Shri Krishna and the crown jewels of all gopis is Vrashvanandani Shri Radha, Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita. So Bhahu Kantabena Naya Rasir Ullas. Without many beloveds, there is no rapture in Ras. That's why Radharani manifested so many kinds of Sakhis.
स्वयं राधे ये जो गोपियां कोई और साधारण नहीं
So those gopis are not an ordinary personality. So they are the manifestation of Radharani's bhav.
ऐसा राधे में सब कुछ
Radharani has everything,
आनंद प्रदान
but for giving the pleasure so much to Krishna, she has manifested in many forms.
है, अपने स्वरूप में तो है ही
So she is in her form also, and she has manifested so many forms.
प्रेमी सार भाव भाभी सार महाभाव महाभाव रूपिणी
Radha Thakurani, वाह, महाभाव स्वरूपनी राधा ठाकुरानी.
है, वो अपने तथापि जो है योग में कहता है अनेक सखी
So she is also in her form, and she has manifested her own many forms of in the form of gopis. Viruddha, Avruddha, Chandravali is none other than she is also Radharani's Kaibyu,
एक भाव की मूर्ति की
and she is the manifestation of the bhav of Srimati Radhika Rani,
साथ क्या करे राइवल
so that there will be a rival, just like a co-wife for competition. So according to the Tattvichar, Chandravali is also the manifestation of Srimati Radhika Rani. She is also the expansion of Srimati Radhika. Rather than,
कृष्ण भी जो भी करते जा
and whatever Krishna is doing, in the same way,
है, अपने शक्ति के साथ प्रेम विलास करने के लिए ऐसे करते जा रहे हैं। इसलिए श्रीमद् भागवत 3 श्लोकों के द्वारा
so in the Srimad Bhagavatam, by the 3 shlokas, it is clarified.
राजला में जो 3 परीक्षित महाराज ने जो
When Parikshit Maharaj was asked 3 questions,
प्रश्न के अनुसार
so according to that question, by the 3 shlokas, Krishna is not, it is clarified that Krishna is not an ordinary personality.
जैसे छोटा बालक
Just like a little child,
साथ खेलते रहे
he is playing with his shadow.
हैं? ये क्या करते हैं छोटे छोटे बच्चा क्या करते हैं एक खुटी को गाड़ देते हैं और खुटी-
Little
खुटी
child,
को डंडा
danda, little childs, they put sticks, and they tying a rope and going round and round and round and round. So why they are going round and round? Because they are catching their shadow.
के साथ वो सोचते हैं
So they are playing with the shadow, and they are thinking that, oh, I have my another Sakha is there. I have another Sakha is there. So they thinking their shadow is there, and other person also with me. It is not the shadow, somebody else with me.
उनके साथ ही खेलते
So they are playing with the shadow.
हैं। उसी प्रकार
In the same way, Krishna,
योग में के द्वारा
by the Yoga Maya,
ये समस्त गोपियों के प्रकाश होते
so he has manifested so many gopis.
हैं।
And after
उनके
manifestation,
साथ ही ये
he is playing with them.
प्रेम विहार आदि करते
He do the loving affairs.
हैं। आप बताओ तो कृष्ण जो रास आदि किया जो भी किया कोई साधन ठीक है
So Krishna, whatever the ras and he did, so by their own power, by their own potency, Shakti,
बालक के भांति
just like an ordinary child. Just like a child is playing with the shadow, in the same way Krishna is playing with all this his power, Shakti. So those who are not aware about the tattva, so they are telling so many katha, they are imposing so many mic views on Krishna.
सीधा तो ठीक है फिर जो साधन सीधा सुचिचरी मुचरी ये भी नित्य उनकी उनको क्या बोला अरे आप इसको तो इससे कई दिन से उदाहरण दिया है इसी बात से जा रहे हैं ये लोग भी तो अपने चित्त शरीर को प्राप्त किया कि नहीं किया
They also got there after the effect of Nitya Siddha Sakhis, the Sadhan Siddha Gopis also got their transcendental body.
आरोप दिया जाता है
That's why example is given.
खोनी से सोना निकालता है
So there is a iron is the gold is coming from the mine in a general way,
और एक सोना होता है क्या
a chemical. And one, there is a process that gold is made by the chemicals. So the cost of the gold is same. The value of the gold is same. So actually the Shutichari, Munichari or other rishis, or they are not inferior. After getting the association of Nitya Siddha Gopis, so they get so much of anurag for Krishna. So their whole body is transcendental, just like Radha and other gopis has the transcendental body. In the same way, they also have the transcendental body.
ये लोग कोई साधारण
They are not an ordinary personality.
उसमें बहुत कुछ विचार है, ज्यादा बोले तो आपके संशय हो जाए।
So there are many views are there, many.
इसलिए अधिक
If I will tell you more, so you will be confused. So by the little brain, you cannot understand so much.
हजम करना भी मुश्किल है।
So if I tell you more, then you cannot digest.
उधार ढूंढोगे, उधार ढूंढोगे, इसको पूछोगे,
Then you will ask to this one, that one. Then you will go to 10 doctors for your constipation.
वो एक डॉक्टर से
It's like somebody is falling ill, or if one doctor is not working properly, so he will go here and there,
दूसरी डॉक्टर के पास
So he will go to another doctor. He will take medicine from there, and if he is not feeling well, then he will go to another doctor.
क्या होगा, बढ़ते जाए,
So his illness is increasing.
है कि नहीं? तो तात्पर्य क्या है?
So in the same way,
अनधिकार
if I-
करके यदि ज्यादा जानने के लिए प्रयास करें,
if you are anadhikari and you are trying to learn more, so by your mic wisdom, mic wise, you will ask so many peoples.
है? भाई ये महाराज ने ये
Arey, this Maharaj said that one, that Maharaj said that thing. So what is right, what is true? At least what happened? He will go to Hari Bol.
पेट खराब हो,
So his stomach will be
क्योंकि वो डाइजेस्ट कर नहीं पाए।
bad because he is not able to digest. Then how is it possible? How is that possible? Because the transcendental thing.
प्राकृतिक वस्तु हमारे प्राकृतिक इंद्रिय आदि के गोचर नहीं है।
So you cannot understand by this material senses.
नहीं तो यथेष्ट है।
You have heard this. This is enough.
ये जो सुन लिया
You have heard. This is enough.
है, इसी को तो डाइजेस्ट करो,
You should digest this.
है? इसको हजम करना भी बहुत कठिन है।
It's really hard to digest what I told you.
आगे जाके भजन
And then when you perform bhajan, then you will realize it is all up to bhajan.
इसलिए आए हम,
So that's why Bahukanta Benanaye Raser Ullas.
इसलिए राधा आदि जो यहाँ तक भी तो कहा गया, देखो
Even it is also said,
वही रस है, ये समस्त रस के उत्सव कौन है? सोर्स ऑफ ऑल
Rasa is.
रस महाभुज श्रीमती राधा।
So Srimati Radhika is the source of all kinds of rases. That's why it is said in the Srimad Bhagavatam first shloka, Janmadhasya yatonvayadirita shacharte vigya surat tena brahma hridayadikave mahiyanti yat surya.
श्रीमद भागवत में पहले श्लोक में आया
So this is the first shloka of Srimad Bhagavatam, Janmadhasya.
है, जन्म आदि आदि रस,
Janma Adi Ras.
आदि रस कहने के
Adi Rasa means Shringar Ras.
उत्सव
And all the origin, all kind of rases is Shri Krishna, Radharani.
महाप्रभु ने पूछा है
Mahaprabhu asked this question.
कि अद्वैव परो रस, ये समस्त विचार,
So this is all kinds of views are there.
पहले श्लोक में सब वर्णन कर
So everything is described in the first shloka of Srimad Bhagavatam. By one shloka everything is cleared.
यदि कोई पंडित कहते
So that's why some pandit used to say,
मैंने सुना वो लोग कहते हैं भाई
I have heard they used to say when any speaker,
पहले जो मंगलाचरण करते हैं उसके मंगलाचरण के तरफ पता चलता है
so whatever the Mangalacharan they are doing, so then we will come to know that what they are going to speak
मंगलाचरण
according to the Mangalacharan.
मंगलाचरण
In Srimad Bhagavatam, Mangalacharan shloka is Janmadhyasya, that they have explained that what is the subject of this Srimad Bhagavatam, Janmadhyasya. Adi Kavi Muhyanti Surya Tejo Virda Yatha Vinamayo Yatra Tisargo Misha Dhamna Swain Nirastu Kokam Satyam Param Dhimahi. Dhimahi. It's a beautiful shloka of Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam first shloka Janmadasya Tonvayadirata Shacharte Vigya Swarat Tena Brahmhridayadikavi Muhyanti Yat Surya Gitejo Vare Mrida Yatha Vinamayo Yat Sargo Mrisha Dhamna Swain Rastukam Satyam Param Dhimahi. So why are you wasting your time?
है? भागवत सुनने के लिए बोले 7 दिन भागवत सुनने का नहीं जरूरत है। क्या भागवत सुनेंगे? हो गया भागवत सुनेंगे। अच्छा रहा दिया वास्तव जो है और उसी के लिए ही उसी कथा को जो है फिर बढ़ाती जा रही बढ़ाती जा रही और कुछ कथा नहीं है भागवत में।
There is nothing in Bhagavad.
श्लोक के जो है
So the same shloka, first shloka is elaborating so much, is describing so much. The first shloka, Janmadhasya, don't worry, the first shloka of Bhagavatam. Nothing else.
एक श्लोक भी याद कर लो।
If you remember or if you learn the 10th canto any shlok, Jayati Janani Vaso, Devaki Janavaso.
सारे भागवत की वही है।
So this is all the essence of Bhagavad is that.
एक श्लोक पढ़ने से सब हो जाता है बाप क्यों भाई तुम नष्ट क्यों करोगे 7 दिन।
So by learning the one shloka, everything will be complete. And why are you wasting your time for 7 days?
हमारी गोस्वामी तो यही करता है।
Our Goswami used to do same thing.
कितने समय तक चिंतन करते हरिनाम
So learning one shlokas, they are discussing on that so many days.
एक श्लोक के यदि आप ठीक से अमल कर ले तो
If you talk about of one shloka, so you complete, everything will be complete. They were speaking on one shloka so many times, so many days. This is called the bhajan.
गोस्वामी वर्ग जो है एक श्लोक के लेकर के बाद
So Goswami were taking one shloka and they are remembering that shloka, and
उस श्लोक की ही
they are doing the Harinam and remembering that shlokas.
अंतर्निहित भाव
What are the feelings in that shlokas? Jayati Janani Vaso Devaki, like this.
पूरा
So everything is there of Srimad Bhagavatam. Everything is there in that shloka. So
जाति जननिवास देवकी जनवास गुरुपुर परिषद स्व दुर्वीर पूरा भागवत की है गोसाई वर्ग जो हरिनाम करते थे
So Goswami work, whatever they used to do Harinam,
वो एक प्रश्न पूछा
when somebody was asking one question,
हरिनाम हरि ग्रंथ अध्ययन करते थे
they were chanting the holy name and they were doing the Grantha Dhyan.
समय तो उसी में एक नाम करना शुरू कर दिया बस
So when they were started the chanting holy name, so all kinds of earth is manifesting in their heart of the shlokas.
आप ये बताओ ये कैसे करते हैं
How they were used to do.
तो उसके लिए एक उदाहरण दिया
So there was an example given.
ब्रज की जो लड़कियां इधर पानी भर कर दिया
So the Braj gopis, the Braj young girls,
3-4 घर
the Braj girls, they used to go for filling up the pitcher, or not only one pitcher, they are putting one by one many pitcher, and they are not
क्या रखते हैं वो बड़े से ये करते हैं
sweater. So they are keeping so many pitcher on their head, and or by the hand they are swinging the sweater, sweater. They are swinging the sweater by the needles. So I have seen with my eyes. So they have put 3 pitchers on their head, and one boy they are keeping on their lap,
और फिर भी वो
and still they are swinging the sweater also.
वो ये कर रहे हैं
They are swinging the sweaters, keeping the child on their lap,
और भी सखियों के साथ बात करते भी जा रहे हैं
and they are talking to their sakis also. So they are knitting the sweaters.
सारे ध्यान कहाँ पर होता है
So but their all concentration is on the pitcher. So balance is not going here there. So they are doing everything, but their concentration on the pitcher. The pitcher they have putting on their head.
पैर भी कहीं पर ठक्कर ना लग जाए उसी में गिर जाए
So they are watching on the road also. Maybe their foot cannot stuck somewhere. So it also everything is happens by the experience.
और अपने छोटा बच्चा को भी काम ऐसे करते
By the exercises happens. So they are putting so many pictures on their head. They are keeping their child on the lap. They are knitting the sweater, and they are talking to the Braj girls also. So how is it possible? It's not possible without the experience or exercise. So if we go like this, then we will stuck somewhere and we will fall down. But look at the village gopis, the young girls of the Braj. And second example is given I have seen in Bengal,
जो क्या बोले शिवाजी
the flat rice is coming from the field.
वहाँ बनाते हैं ना
We used to make some poha. How it is made?
है
Flat rice.
पीछे वो एक ढेकी होता है पीछे के जो है एक व्यक्ति जो एक जो है दो जो है लड़के जो है उसके प्रेस होता है और फिर वो ऊपर ऐसे उठता है उसको नीचे होता है ऐसे होता है
Okay, so they are pressing that rice like this. Dhai dhoo dhai dhoo dhai dhoo.
है है वो क्या करते हैं वो एक गड्ढा रहता है
There is a
ऐसे ऐसे पड़ता रहता है
so there is a pothole, and they have one stick kinds of, and they are rubbing that, and they have to mix up
नीचे में अप डाउन
up down. Okay, they have to up down by their hands so that they can mash that.
पढ़ने के पहले ही अपने हाथ को ले लेना पड़ता है
And what they used to do, they are going up and down by their hand, and they are putting their hand inside, and that stick is coming, musal is coming, and they are snatching their hand. So they are doing like this. You are getting? I cannot translate this, but you understand my feelings.
देखिए ये धान है ना धान
So धान को कूटना है, तो धान को कूटना पड़ता है. So
मशीन हो गया
nowadays machine is available. At that time machine was not available. So I have seen machine also, but I have seen all these things live.
चावल है ऊपर भी चलता है कभी नहीं चलता सब घर में जो है उनके गांव में सबके घर में
So everybody has this kinds of stuff in their homes. They used to make flat rice by their own hands.
पैर देकर के उठाया
Getting?
क्योंकि वो जो नीचे जो गड्ढा रहता है
Because there is a big hole there, so they are rubbing the dhan, making that flat. So what they have to do, they have to do up and down the rice so that they can be rubbed very nicely.
बाहर निकलना पड़ता
And also they have to take out the flat rice by their hand out. So then they are putting more dhan, more grains, more rice, whatever you say.
काम कर रहे हैं बाजार वो भी बाजार में जो है पूरा बीज बेच भी रहे हैं पैसा भी दे रहे हैं और ये सारी काम कर रहे हैं
So they are doing everything in one time. They are selling, they are making, they are taking care of everything. They are changing the money. So by the experience, by the exercise it comes. So in the same way, Goswami were doing they are chanting the holy name, but they are discussing about the one shloka of Bhagavata.
आता ही है आप एक श्लोक ले लो
So
करो ना
you take one shloka and chant the holy name.
घंटा लगता है 3-4 से हरिनाम तो कर ऊपर से हरिनाम कर हरे कृष्ण
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So chant like this and remember the shloka. Janma, Dhasya, what is there, what is describing there, what Sukdev Goswami would like to say, what Parikshit Maharaj would like to ask. चलो आगे बढ़ो. So that's why I'm saying everything will comes in your mind spontaneously. The time is going to be over. So the Parkitva sweetness is greater than the Swakitva. Okay, so we will discuss about the 10 shloka tomorrow. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. सुखम तथापि अरतः खेलम मधुरा मुरली पंचम जुसे मन में कालिंदी पुलिना विपनाय सर्पयति. So text number shlok. Srila Rupa Goswami Pada has explained the previous text by the composing the verse which is found in Padyavali. So that was the earlier shlok was like a material peoples that, but now in this shloka that how is the parkiyat happen of the transcendental word, that how Radhaji
कृष्ण के निकट कैसे अपने भावों की वर्णना
is expressing their feelings, her feelings towards Krishna.
कुरुक्षेत्र मिलन प्रसंग है।
So the
प्रियो
Kurukshetra context is also there.
सहचरी कुरुक्षेत्र मिलन।
So after meeting,
कुरुक्षेत्र मिलन, कुरुक्षेत्र की कथा छोड़ दो। यहाँ पर हमारे गुरु सनातन में जो है
here in our Roop Sanatan,
पंडित बहुत सुंदर से व्याख्या करते
so there was a Pandit, he was explaining very nicely.
हैं। प्रियो सोयम कृष्ण
Priya so ayam Krishna sahachari Kurukshetra militas.
कुरुक्षेत्र के बाद नहीं है, कुरु प्रियो सोयम है। राधा जी मानवती होकर
When Radhaji got man, she is saying,
प्रियो कृष्ण सहचरी, ये सहचरी कुरुक्षेत्र मिलित, कुरु
Kuru
क्षेत्र
Kshetra milita.
यह कुंज में हम जो मिल रहे हैं,
So in this kunj we are meeting.
हैं?
Kuru Kshetra militas means we are meeting in a kunj. Kuru means kunja.
कुरु
Kshetra
कुरु माने
kunj.
क्षेत्र स्थान पर मिलित मिलित
So they are meeting.
कुंज में
So they are meeting in the kunj.
प्रियो सोयम कृष्ण
Priya Swayam Krishna Sahachari
कुरुक्षेत्र मिलित।
Kurukshetra militas.
क्या बोलते हैं? कुरुक्षेत्र के दोनों अलग कर दो,
So
दोनों अलग हो।
Kuru and Kshetra is divided in two parts.
क्षेत्र-
Kuru
कुरु माने करो,
Kuru means do.
क्षेत्र माने ये कुंज
Kshetra means in this kunja. So meet in the kunj rupi place.
मिलित हो रहा है। किंतु उसमें आनंद नहीं हो रहा है। क्यों?
But there is no so much pleasure. Why? Because she got man. In the man stage,
कुंज में मिलन में आनंद
so stage of man, there is no so much pleasure in meeting.
राधा जी उस तरफ मुख करके रखे हैं, कृष्ण इस तरफ।
So Radhaji have their face in one side and Krishna has their face in one side. Krishna asked to Radhaji once,
मान के
Radhaji, please tell me one thing, how I have to got man?
मान के बारे में हमें
Please tell me something about man. I would like to do this.
के नाम से
Krishna being Rasik,
राधा जी बोले राधे
he said to Radha, hey Radhe, please give me some lesson about Ras or man. Radhaji said, okay, I tell you man, how you have to do man. How?
ये मान सहज है।
It's man very easy, very easy. You can do it.
तुम हमारे दो प्रकार के मान, ये
There,
मान और हेतु मान।
there are two kinds of one, hetu and ahetu, causeless
मान
and
में
cause.
क्या होता है?
What happened in the hetu man?
नष्ट हो जाने पर मारण वो
When the cause is
भंग हो जाता है।
when the cause is complete,
अंत में होता ही नहीं।
man is complete. And ahetu causeless.
और उसमें से शिक्षा
So please tell me something about causeless man.
कारण नहीं
There is no reason and still man. Give me the lesson about that.
और उस मान कैसे नष्ट कैसे
And how this man will be pacified.
है? इसे कहते हैं कुरुक्षेत्र मिलित।
Kurukshetra milita.
इसके श्लोक के थोड़ा आगे पीछे करके ले वो पंडित बहुत सुंदर है।
So that Pandit in a Roopnatan Sabha, he was describing very nice explanation.
वृंदावन रूपी क्षेत्र
In the Vrindavan Rupi Kshetra, in the Vrindavan place, he is describing that. Then there is no need to go there in Kurukshetra. Priya so ayam Krishna.
वही है कृष्ण वही राधा है
There is the same Krishna, same Radha.
और दोनों कहाँ मिल रहे हैं?
And where they are meeting? In the Vrindavan Kunj.
कहाँ हुए? यही वृंदावन।
They are meeting in the Nikunj of Vrindavan.
किंतु उनके मिलन के
But still they are not getting so much pleasure. Why? Because there is a man dasha.
बता दिया
Which man? Causeless. Azahetu man, causeless man.
तो मान फिर मानो की और फिर बोलते हैं एक होता है दो प्रकार के मान
There are two hetu ahetu, Lalit man and
और है उदात्त
Udatta man. There are two kinds of man, Lalit man, Udatta man. And which kinds of man is here? Lalit man.
ललित मान
Ahetu ki Lalit man, causeless Lalit man is there.
एक दोनों दूसरे कैसे हो गया विपरीत विपरीत
So they are sitting in a opposite direction. They are in the kunj, but their face is not watching each other. Their face is opposite side.
उसमें आनंद थोड़ी हो
So there is no pleasure in there.
दादाजी पूर्व दिखे और कृष्ण पश्चिम दिखे
So Radhaji is watching in the east side and Krishna is watching in the west side.
वो ये मान के बारे में
So Krishna asked to Radhaji, please give me some lesson about mind. So Radhaji said, okay, I am teaching about this man. One is Hetu and second is Ahetu, causeless and cause. And causeless means there is no reason for doing man. When the cause is complete, the man is complete, then man will be pacified. But when there is no reason, there is no cause, then how the man will be pacified? Then what Krishna did? Oh Radhaji, please tell me how I have to do this man. So Radhaji said, okay, I will do my face in the west side, you will do in the east side. So we have to sit opposite direction and we won't see each other. And Radhaji taught him, and now both are in the now Radhaji is stuck because she has left everything Jatila Kotila. Now nothing is happening here. Are you getting? So now Radhaji is thinking how man will be pacified. In a Hetu man, the cause, if there cause, then man will be pacified. But there is no cause, then how man will be pacified? Now there is no reason, then how? Both are sitting very quiet. So there is an example is giving. My Gurudev Vaman Goswami Maharaj, he used to give an example. Whenever I asked this katha to Gurudev, he used to give one example. There was one person, he was so rich, he has lots of money. So he did something wrong, then he will be punished for that. So in the court, he was punished, he was sentenced to that. So what he did? So he hired a biggest lawyer of the city. And he said to the lawyer, advocate, whatever the money you want, you take. But how can I get rid of this case? I don't want to die. Take out me from the prison. And he is the Supreme Court lawyer. He is so much expert. Because the lawyer is so much expert. The Supreme Court's lawyer, they are so much expert. They can defeat the judge also. The big politicians, what they used to do, they hired the biggest lawyer. They hired the biggest lawyer of the cities of the state. They keep them with them so that they can help them. And that lawyers are not ordinary, they are very minded, they are very clever. So because you have seen the politicians goes to prison and they get the rate from they will be free from prison very easily by after hiring some lawyers. So that's why they are doing so many scandals. The Chara Ghotala, Lalu did the Chara Ghotala, and what happened with him? So they stayed in the prison for 3-4 days and they come out. And they are living in the prison very comfortably. They have all the facilities there also. They are sitting there very nicely, very comfortable way. And many kinds of facilities are there also for politicians in the prisons. So how many crores scandal was there, but still he is not in the prison. So the Indian law is very, very nice. So the katha I was telling you, vakil hire kiya. So he hired a vakil. So lawyer said, okay, please save me from the sentence of that. Lawyer said, okay, how much money will you give me? So he said, okay, whatever you want, the crore you want, I will give you. Don't worry about money, just make me free, save me from this sentence of that. So lawyer, who is lie, who always speak lie, he is lawyer. So he made all the duplicate certificate. He is ill from the mental disease and this and that. He made many kinds of proof. So he made the charge sheet. And then what happened? Mentally problem. So he is not stable with the mind. He is mentally disturbed. So he made the certificate of mad person, that he is ill, he is sick. So nobody can give the sentence to mad person, the mental. So the person who is suffering from mental disease, you cannot hang him. So first you have to treat him, then you can give sentence to death. So if somebody is get the sentence of death, so if he is suffering from mental disease, so you cannot punish him. Khudiram Basu, his age was just 17 years. So he was giving the punishment of sentence of death. When judge given him punishment, then he started laughing. He started laughing. I have seen myself. So judge was thinking, he is just a little boy. He doesn't know that what is actually Phansi, the hanging up. Judge asked that you are laughing so much. Do you know what is hanging? What is the sentence of that? Khudiram Bose said, do you know how to create bomb? If you don't know, then I can tell you, I can teach you a lesson. How you make a bomb. So he talked to judge like this. I know about the sentence of that. For freedom we need for freedom I made a bomb. So there is no need to give me a lesson. This is my land. This is my Bharat Bhumi. So I have to make free my Indian Bharat Mata. So if you are giving me the sentence of that, then what the use of that? No, I don't fear about the hanging up. I have only one fear. How anybody can make the bomb? So who will tease the land of Bharat? So I will kill him. I will make a bomb and put on his head. Throw that bomb on his head. So just said, oh, take him out. So on the particular date, he has to give sentence of that. And Khudiram Bose started walking. So he started walking himself. Okay, come, no problem. Take me at that place. So he has this kinds of confidence level. So when Bharatvarsh, Indian became free, so it was not easy. Many people given sacrifices. Balidan diya. Many people have sacrifices their life. So around 250 years, British government ruled. So there are many big Swatantra Senani. They sacrificed their life. If you read the history, then you will come to know that what are the sacrifices given by our freedom fighters. If you are Indian, truly Indian, then you will cry. And then how the British people, the British people ruled over India. If you won't read the history, then you will not come to know. When you read the history, then your heart will be hot, your blood will be hot. Param Guru Maharaj. If you read the biography of Swami Maharaj, Param Gurudev, everybody, most except 2, 3, 4.
भारत स्वाधीनता के आंदोलन
So they have taken the part in the freedom for India.
प्रभुपाद के संपर्क में आकर
When they came into the contact of Prabhupada and they thought, oh, we are the soul, we are not this body, so then they have give up. सुभाष चंद्र बोस भी तो आए थे, सुभाष चंद्र बोस भी तो आए थे, भक्ति उनके पास आए थे, सुभाष चंद्र बोस आए थे ना भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर प्रभुपाद के पास कि you have so many brahmachari, give me then. No, the katha, yes, we left the katha.
लॉयर बोले ठीक है
So lawyer said, okay, do one thing.
ये जज साहब तुमसे जो कुछ भी पूछेगा
So whatever the judge asks you for giving you that last decision,
केवल जो है
you always
इधर तो ऊपर देखना
you see upside, downside, left side and right side. Don't say anything like this. Behave like a mental.
समय के जज साहब जब
So at the time when judge was asking the question, he was giving the decision, he was asked,
क्या तुमने ये काम किया
have you committed this offense?
तो इधर देख
He was saying here and there. He was saying nothing.
यहाँ बोलते हैं कि हाँ
Sometimes he is saying no, sometimes he is saying yes, sometimes nothing.
वकील साहब कहने लगे
Then the lawyer said, he is mentally diseased.
वकील जो है जज साहब की कहने लगी
So Vakil said to judge, he is mentally diseased.
वो अंतिम जब दिया जाए उसको दोष से स्वीकार करना पड़ता है
So if you can punish the person when he accepts his offense,
तो वकील साहब उनके जो वकील साहब थे
so the lawyer,
साहब ये तो पागल है
he said that he is mentally diseased, he is mental.
पागल के मृत्यु दंड नहीं
So you cannot give him the sentence of death. And he has given all the documents to him to show to the judge.
कोर्ट में क्या होता है
What happened in the court?
उल्टी सीधी जो है साहब
Whatever that they create some own certificate and present it before the judge.
तो जज साहब ने कह दिया जाओ ये इससे मुक्त हो गया है फांसी से इसको मुक्त कर दिया
So Judge Saab free him from the sentence of death. When he came out from the prison, judge asked,
पैसा कहाँ मिला
Vakil ne,
हाँ
lawyer asked, where is my money?
मतलब पैसा तो दो
Give me my money. So he was saying like this,
ऐसे कि हमें पैसा तो दो
Arey, give me my money. So he was saying like this. So he was, and lawyer also stuck there.
हमारे पैसे दे बोले पागल
So how Vakil, that mad person was saying nothing when lawyer asked for the money, because the lawyer has proved that he is mad. So mad person doesn't give money to anyone. So he was free from the prison, he was free from the sentence of death, and he didn't give the money to the lawyer also. So Gurudev used to tell this katha also. Very nice. So what is the meaning here actually?
राधा जी कृष्ण के मान सिखा दी कौन सा मान सिखा
So Radhaji is teach Lalit Man. Ayatiki Lalit.
ये मान कैसे बंद होगा
So Radhaji taught Lalit Man, nahi, Ahetuki Man, causeless. Man to Radha, to Krishna. So how it can be pacified? Okay. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. We will discuss about the 10th shloka of Bhajan Rasa tomorrow. Hare Krishna.